Hey everybody! I'm here today to do a review of this tool right here. This is actually the Ryobi Router Kit, and it actually comes with the router, a carrying case, and some bits, which it is perfect if you are a beginner router just like I am. I am a beginner woodworker. I've done lots of things in terms of being a do-it-yourselfer, but in terms of woodworking, I am a complete beginner. I am not experienced, so this was perfect for me. Now, before I show you the router itself and I demonstrate sort of turning it on and so forth, I'm gonna show you that this is what it looks like, but it also comes with this bag right here, a nice bag, a nice carrying case for the router over there. And it also comes with these bits over here. So I'll show you the three bits that it came with in my box over here. It comes with like a sort of like a standard carving bit, as you can see right here. And then it comes with this round over bit. And then this, it looks like a slightly smaller round over bit. So those are the three bits that it comes with. Now with regards to the actual router, you can see it has the Ryobi branding, the green, and then the Ryobi logo. Almost all of my power tools are Ryobi. I love them. They make fantastic tools, and I stand by them truly because they've served me really well. Their tools have served me really well over my years of doing things, projects around the house and blah, 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 you know, contracting some stuff, you know, over the years. So as you can see, it has the Ryobi branding. It is decently weighted. I wouldn't call it heavy, but I wouldn't call it lightweight. It is decently weighted, but you're getting a massive, really, really useful tool that can have its own table, right? But you're getting it in this small form factor, okay? So obviously, and it has a really, really powerful motor, so it's gonna have some weight to it. Now, I have the box over here. I'm just gonna straight up read off the box. 1.5 peak horsepower router kit. So it has 1.5 peak horsepower when it revs up. That's the horsepower they're getting. 8.5 amp motor, very powerful motor, and 25,000 RPM, which is ridiculously fast. Thinking in terms of cars, right? When engines rev at 8,000, 9,000, even 10,000 RPM, they're like so loud and super powerful most of the time. This is 25,000 RPM, so just put it into perspective. And obviously it's a 3-piece router bit set, which you get the 3 router bits right over there. It has these 2 handles, which is absolutely fantastic. With regards to using it, I did get to use it very briefly. It worked really, really well. It has these convenient lights over here that illuminate the area. This is a nice smooth surface, so when you're moving along the wood piece, the wooden piece, it's going to be easy to do. To make any adjustments is really, really easy. You have like a locking mechanism over here. You unlock it, then you can adjust the depth to whatever depth you want to be. And then even when it's locked, so let's say I was to adjust it like this and I locked it, I can then make minor adjustments back and forth like that, even when it's locked, just minor adjustments. Really, really convenient. Nice long power cord, so you might even be able to use it without an extension cord depending on how close the plug is. To install and uninstall and remove any of the nuts is super, super easy. You have like a locking nut over here. You can then go ahead and use the wrench to loosen that, to loosen the collet and put your bit in. It just works really, really well. And it's very, very comfortable, easy to use. The weight is also nicely distributed. You know, obviously it's gonna be quite heavy at the top because this is where your motor is, but it's not overly heavy where it's like, you know, gonna move side to side. It's like a nice balance, to be honest with you, okay? When you're using a router, you always have to, like a portable router like this, a mobile router, whatever you wanna call it, whether it's battery powered or electrical cord powered like this, you always wanna be careful because it does give you a little bit of torque action. So you gotta make sure you have a good grip on it, and these handles do a great job at giving you a good grip on the unit. What I will do lastly is I'm gonna plug it in. I had it unplugged just for safety. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna plug it in right now, and I'm gonna turn it on just like that. So I'm gonna plug it in like that. I'm just gonna turn it on. I just want you to hear the sound of it. And I'm gonna just hold it like this. I have a good grip on it. It's only one hand, but I do have a good grip on it. Just want you to hear it. So, and watch the torque when you turn this thing on. So it is quite loud, but it is really, really powerful. You saw those lights illuminate. Now, like I said, watch when I turn it on. So you can see right there, it actually torqued this way, right? It torqued this way just because of the amount of power that is coming out of this thing. So I'm gonna unplug it. Like I said, I don't want any accidents or anything like that. But essentially, that's basically it. It's a fantastic tool. You know, I cannot wait to use it more and more. I plan on doing a lot of woodworking, and I just wanted to do a review of it with you in this video. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.